Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into something essential for any Galaxy S10 owner facing hardware issues, the replacement motherboard. Specifically, we're looking at this 128GB unlocked motherboard from a brand called Ciciglow, designed for the US version of the Galaxy S10. Now, motherboard replacements can be tricky, so let's unpack what Ciciglow is offering. This motherboard is advertised as a direct replacement for your original or damaged S10 motherboard. They emphasize higher strength and convenience, which piques my interest. Often, third-party components can be a gamble, so the promise of improved durability is a good sign. They also highlight some key assurances: no repairs needed, no water infiltration issues, and importantly, no network or account lockouts. These are crucial points because those are precisely the problems you don't want to encounter with a replacement part. The product description mentions superior craftsmanship, and while we can't see inside the manufacturing process, it's something to consider. A well-made motherboard is essential for the long-term health of your phone. They also tout expected performance and dependability with a long service life. Again, these are claims we need to test over time, but they're the right promises to make. Finally, they mention the compact and portable nature of the product, which, while obvious for a motherboard, speaks to the packaging and handling. Now, let's talk about the practical implications. If your S10 is experiencing serious hardware problems, a motherboard replacement might be your only option short of buying a new phone. This is where a product like this comes in. The 128GB storage capacity matches the original S10 variant, so you're not losing any storage space. The compatibility with the unlocked US version is also important, ensuring it will work with your carrier. However, there are some things the description doesn't tell us. Details about the specific chipset used, the manufacturing process, and any potential differences in performance compared to the original Samsung motherboard are missing. Ideally, we want to see benchmarks and comparisons to understand if there are any trade-offs. Before you jump in and buy this, I'd recommend doing some further research. Look for reviews from other users who have actually installed this motherboard in their S10. See what their experiences have been regarding performance, battery life, and overall stability. Check online forums and communities dedicated to the Galaxy S10. This will give you a much better understanding of the real-world performance of this replacement part. Replacing a motherboard is a complex process, and unless you're experienced with phone repairs, I strongly advise seeking professional help. A botched installation could further damage your phone. If you do decide to go ahead with this Ciciglow motherboard, make sure you find a reputable repair shop that can handle the installation correctly. So, is this the ultimate Galaxy S10 motherboard replacement? The information provided is promising, but we need more real-world data to make a definitive judgment. The key takeaways are the compatibility with the unlocked US version, the 128GB storage, and the manufacturer's promises of durability and performance. However, further research and user reviews are essential before making a purchase. Don't hesitate to ask any questions in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.